Welcome to Global Hunting Solutions. Imagine this: the vast plains of Africa, the rugged highlands of Asia, the legendary hunting grounds of Europe, each destination calling to the adventurer in you. But here's the twist: not every hunt is available to everyone. What if you had exclusive access, tailored experiences, and the kind of adventure that you design? Welcome to a new world of hunting, crafted with your vision, skill, and legacy in mind. Ready to embark on an adventure that few will ever experience? At Global Hunting Solutions, it's all about your journey, your adventure, every hunt crafted to fit you. For over 30 years, we've guided hunters like you to unforgettable destinations: the African savannas, where you can take on the Big Five in South Africa, Namibia, or Zimbabwe. Or imagine yourself in Asia, pursuing ibex and Marco Polo sheep in the wild highlands of Mongolia and Kazakhstan. Europe offers its own magic, with the storied red stag hunts in Scotland and Spain, or wild boar hunts in the rolling lands of Hungary. And right here in the United States, trophy elk in the Rockies and whitetail in the Midwest. These aren't your everyday destinations. They're iconic, carefully selected for seasoned hunters and those just beginning their journey. But here's what sets this adventure apart even more: your legacy of conservation with Global Hunting Solutions. When you hunt with Global Hunting Solutions, you're not just hunting. You're creating a legacy. Each adventure supports conservation efforts to protect these lands and species for future generations. It's about more than just the thrill of the hunt. It's the responsibility of leaving these pristine environments intact. And this is luxury at its finest, with custom lodges, elite guides, and every detail aligned with your goals. Imagine an experience crafted around you, but grounded in something much bigger: your adventure, your legacy. And for those ready to start, the journey of a real-life adventure is just one click away. Life is short, and these one-of-a-kind adventures won't wait. Click the link on the description, visit our website, and start building your adventure with Global Hunting Solutions. Book your spot, secure your place, and create a hunting journey as unique as you are. One that blends luxury, thrill, and a commitment to conservation. Start your adventure now. Book now and start your adventure.